Ma'am. You can't be back here, ma'am. Oh, whoa! You right. Yo, Kiss of Life. Get loud. Oh, I'm about to get loud. That's for sure. Hold on. Let me get my thirst on. I think I'm refilled. Okay, I'm good. Whew. Oh my God, that was a lot of water. Hey, but yo, Kiss of Life. You need that water. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre from the YouTube channel JREAMER. Your boy is back. We're still in Hawaii at the moment, you know. We've been playing games on Twitch, reacting to some different stuff. But Kiss of Life Get Loud just released, and I'm all here for it. There's a wolf? Is that a wolf?
What?
Excuse me. Oh my God, drank too much water. Sorry for the burp. Excuse me. Be sure to like this video before we start. All right, Kiss of Life. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bop. Is captions on? Captions are on. Whose dog? Oh, that is animated as hell. What? What'd she say? That's it? Wait, first of all, Spanish guitar. You had me at Spanish guitar. That's it. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Okay, dancers. Oh my God. Naughty. Oh, yes, girl. Move me like my favorite. Oh, she just sitting here on the floor of a train subway. What is this? Ooh, the outfits. Ooh, so the rhythm go cha-cha. Okay. It's real. Ooh, with the wings. Oh, she's popping off. Okay, we have like Spanish vibes. Ooh. Hey. Hold up, we need to replay that. Get loud. I like how the way that they flow. Okay. So what the hell? Yeah, I'll be right there. Let me show you how we move. I didn't move there. What is this, a product placement? Oh, that hand though, that animation. Okay. 3D rendering. Let's go. Oh my God. Hold up. I like the background vocal. Like, hey. Ooh. The blue just pops. That blue, I guess fur coat, faux fur. I hope. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Blow the confetti. Throw the confetti. Woo! I love that part a lot. Like, baby, come and get it to me. Ooh, that part right there. Baby, come and give it to me. Woo! It's very old school sounding too. Hold up, what the hell was that? Oh. Woo! Hey! Seb! Wait, she said what? So I was watching it dancing. Sometimes it's hard to like read and watch at the same time, but salty. I'm never interested. I get bored easily in plastic. Woo! Hey! Throw the confetti. Celebrate. Ooh. Hey, shout out to the dancers, yo. Hey, 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 hey. So lose yourself. Oh, and then Bell with the little period, period, period. Oh, she was the confetti. God damn, Kiss of Life coming back with the heat. I see you. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Kiss of Life's Get Loud. Did you get loud while listening to Get Loud? That's what I want to know. Also, put in the comments down below if you have a bias. If you don't, if you're an OT foe, that's cool too. You know, that's cool as well. I'm more OT foe. Like, I always had like my faves, but I was like, I like them all. They're all dope, man. Shout out to Kiss of Life. Was that Wolf in a lot of the music videos, or if I'm mistaken? The animation is Wolf. I mean, obviously they couldn't get like an actual wolf, but I guess. That's it. Ooh, I love it. Like, Senorita, it's been for you. Kind of ish. You know what I'm talking about? JT? No? Okay, never mind. Woo, I love a guitar. Woo! Hands moving freely. Don't feel guilty. Don't feel guilty. Everyone's like, you like Havana. What you know about Havana? Feel the rhythm go cha-cha is iconic. Move Me Like my favorite song. Woo! The keyboard while she's on the flow. My God. Oh. Feel the rhythm go cha-cha. Oh. Oh, so beautiful. Wow. And that spice. The outfits are fire. Hey. Baby, come and give it. That part is fire to me. Going with the like the beat. Woo! Lose yourself. Period. Oh my God. That still gets me. What is that? Let me see. What's she displaying? My God. That clip is crazy. I'll be right there. Oh fuck, I keep on messing. Okay, here we go. Another tongue action again. I'm not doing it on purpose. I swear to God. I swear. I'll be right there. Dream glitters. Oh, the dream glitters. Let me show you how we move. I didn't move. Get loud in the space between dreams and reality. I see. Okay. Let's go, Julie. Hey. Hey. That part right there, that part when it goes to I can't, don't listen, don't judge my voice, but that part hooks me back in. It switches it up, but it's like, oh, like it's all intense, like dumb with the whole like bass and everything, and all of a sudden, you just like relax, almost like a dream world, dream like. Woo. The background is pretty interesting too. It's like a 3D 80s advertisement, like 3D for the first time. That move right there is dope. Like a crotch grab kind of thing. Woo, they are serving. Hey. That coat is cool. I like the hue of the blue. Ooh. Hey. Hey. This part's dope as well. Bro, Kiss of Life be killing though. Let's go. Woo. Bro, they in their bag. Oh my god. With that guitar and that baby come and get it. Baby come and give it to me. Oh, just to like the beat itself too.
Yeah.
Get loud.
Ooh.
Hey, again, shout out to the dancers. So lose yourself. Oh, and the pop of confetti. Bell was confetti this whole time. Put in the comments down below what you guys think of Kiss of Life, Get Loud. Be sure to check it out. Link in the description to the whole music video. Be sure to check out my new gaming video where I visit a haunted bathhouse. If we're in spooky season, it's October. We're almost at Halloween. Might as well laugh at my pain. You got some balls, lady.
What is up with his stomach?
You know, like scarring? I don't know.
What is that?
The only problem is that you don't. And I could easily get you to be sitting on my lap with force, you know that. What the fuck? Fuck out of here. What? Alright, y'all. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh, hey, peep out the old merch, bro. The Dreamers old merch, the Miami Vice one. Hey, you can't get these anywhere else. If you have one, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Till next time, everybody. Peace out, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.